All right, so check this out. At 1:39 in the morning, down here in the lower right corner, you see the timestamp of the two email notifications that came in indicating that I had a new Fearless Mama Mastermind buyer. That's what I want you to focus in on for the time being. At 1:39 in the morning, my system generated for me a $250 sale. Now the significance of that is really twofold. Okay, number one is at 1:39 in the morning, I'm sleeping. So even while I'm sleeping, my system is generating income. It's generating sales for me. I'm not out there selling. I'm not out there handing out business cards. I'm not doing the 3-foot roll at the local shopping mall. I have a system set up that is automatically generating sales for me, even at 1:39 in the morning. All right. The second significant factor of this is I get to wake up to new money. Okay, literally every single day, sales are accruing automatically. Case in point, I had more sales that followed 5:56 a.m., 6:14 a.m., 10:07 a.m., 11:59 a.m. These two came in just moments ago at 12:03 and 12:21 p.m. respectively. So this is the power of having a internet system set up, being able to generate sales and income for you. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the merchant email receipt right here. But before I do that, I want to disclose something to you and tell you up front that I'm not going to be able to show you everything within that merchant email receipt because there is personal information, the customer's name, their address, phone number, etc. So I can only show you the top portion of the email receipt. Let me turn on the pen so I can draw on the screen. There we go. Again, September 22nd at 1:39 a.m., which means that I am making money while I am sleeping, all right, which is pretty cool if I do say so myself. All right, and look at this, the dollar amount of the sale, $250. All right, that's a $250 sale that was generated without me having to sell it, without me having to get on the phone, without me even being awake. All right, that's a $250 commission that comes directly to me. So here's the point of this video. It's not to brag that I'm making sales because this isn't about me. This is all about you. I just want to show you the potential that is literally right in front of your very eyes, and you just have to accept it as truth and have a little bit of faith and belief that, hey, maybe this could start to work for me. Maybe this is the mechanism that I need to start seeing some money come my way. So here's what I propose. Okay, Fearless Mama is 250 bucks. All right, I can help you start to attract and collect $250 sales. We'd start off small, saying 1 to 2 sales a week. Okay, nothing big. That's 250 to 500 bucks a week. All right, not really radically life-changing income, but still enough money to make this worth your while. All right, and then what I would suggest is that you and I work together and we start to put a game plan together to where you and I start to get 1 to 2 sales per day. All right, and now when you start hitting enough momentum to where you're getting 1 to 2 $250 sales per day, believe me, life gets a whole lot more fun and exciting when you see those sales start to accrue at that rate. And then we could have a conversation about maybe making $1,000 plus per sale, if that would pique your interest as well. So here's the deal, get started with the Fearless Mama, join it, spend your 250 bucks. You're going to get massive life transformational value out of the product. We can help you start to get set up to make $250 commissions, 100% instant commissions, might I add, that come directly to you. All right, so thanks for watching this quick video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you out.